Excellent fridge for the family of 6 to 7 people. VFM product for me. I was disappointed with late delivery on scheduled date at 10 p.m. after so many follow-ups. It is good product, except it has no auto defrost, which unfortunately I didn't see in the information, and hence Amazon refused to cancel the product after delivery. I have purchased it, reached home safely without any mark. No installation required. Cooling is good, spacious enough for 4 to 5 family members. Meets my requirement. I need more space for storage, so I exchanged old one. Cooling efficiency is little less compared to my small old fridge. This LG refrigerator is very good. Cooling is also good. You can buy this. Best product at this price. Very spacious also. Capacity 270 LTRs. Equal to double door refrigerator, but power consumption equal to 190 to 215 LTRs. Refrigerator mine is yearly power consumption is 174 unit. I got it during Great Indian Sale in 17 rupees, 990 only. Operation is very silent. Cooling is very fast. Looks is very luxury. I recommend to others who opt for huge space in single door refrigerator section without any thought. Overall value of money. Perfect value for money. Superb. Just go for it without any doubt. Good product. Perfect single door refrigerator. If anyone is looking for single door, kindly go for it. It's good. Of course, any product will have manufacturing defect for a few, and unlucky ones will get those. Anyhow, warranty and replacement will take care of that. All good, no secondary thought. Just go for it. Refrigerator looking nice and working good. I received only one key, insisted of 2 keys. In original pic has BT box, but I didn't received. Click link in description for more reviews.